You might have noticed some changes happening on YouTube, but there's a brand new feature that has been introduced and you have to enable in order to make use out of it. It's a way to show off the best clips, at least from what your community thinks. Whenever a community member makes a clip, that will be registered to your channel. So what do I mean by this? Well, there's a snip tool that's available to everybody at this point, especially your audience members. And if you go to customize channel, whenever you're on your channel page, or if you go down to customization inside of your YouTube dashboard or YouTube Studio app, you can go into the layout where you'll see a few things on the way that people view your channel whenever clicking on it. First thing's video spotlight, then you have recommendations for your users, and then finally a featured section. You can edit what you want to show up first in your featured section. For example, if you wanted short videos to show up first, you can put them at top, or if you want videos to show up first, you can move it around and then click publish. But a few new cool things, including those clips from your community. But one thing you might want to first check is if you have the recommended fresh content based on your viewers' interest, whether you have that setting on or off. I highly suggest turning this one on because guess what? It's a way that YouTube can cater to the viewer's preference. So it's a great way of getting people who click on your channel to actually watch some content. But we're not here for that. That's just a side quest. Instead, you want to hit add section. Now, you'll remember some of these from the past, but there is something brand new, something called top community clips. So what does top community clips do? It takes whatever community clips or clips that people have created from your videos and rates them by views on which ones are top. And then it's going to show those to people checking out your channel. So how do we put that in? You just click on top community clips and then you can move them around. And what is this going to look like on our page? I'll show you in a moment. You can also remove a section if necessary, but our goal here is to get these top community clips enabled and showing up on our channel. After doing this, one major step that most people forget is to hit that publish button, hit it before the changes are made, and you'll see that it was made by seeing a little notice at the bottom. I'm just going to move this around real quick so you can see it. If I hit publish, notice down here it says changes published, go to channel. I'm going to click that so I can show you what this looks like. Notice now the feed is for you first. This again is what's currently enabled with the automatic suggestion or for you page coming from YouTube based on the types of videos that I like. This one should definitely be enabled just because it targets the user the best. But then the secondary one or secondary option that you could select is top community clips. This is the community's choice of clips that they like and what they've chosen to clip out as far as your videos go. And now it shows up in its own category here. Following that, I have videos and you can add up to 12 different sections for your channel viewers. If you like this tip and trick, make sure to smash that like button for me. That way other people can see how to enable top community clips for their own channel. And think about subscribing below for more YouTube tips, tricks, and news. If you need the ability to edit your videos in bulk, check out EditBulk.com for a free tool that allows you to change up all your titles and descriptions of your videos in bulk. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe below, hit that notification bell for more YouTube tips and tricks. I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.